Hi guys, so today we are going to clean the brake pads. Yeah, so these are the brake pads. They are discs. Okay, we're going to clean the front and the rear brake pads, as you can see there. So let's start by removing the opening up the brakes. Yeah, so here is where we're going to use the 13. So let's start by okay, it's usually really hard, so you must use some force to open. Yeah, right, as you can see. Screws, the case, as you can see, it has just come out. So this is how it looks. It's open. So all we are going to do is remove the brake pads, and we are going to wash them with using petrol, right? Okay, to remove the brake pad I need to squeeze this inside, these two inside. Yeah, as you can see. Then I'm going just to pull these out. Yeah, as you can see, just need to pull them out. Okay, as you can see, this is one. Put it aside. This is the second one. Yeah, so I've pulled the second one, as you can see. So this is how it looks when the brake pads are out. Yeah, here are the brake pads, as I was showing you. They're really okay, they're not super dirty, but they're dirty, so I'll have to clean them, because already they've gone 1,000 kilometers and I clean every 1,000 kilometers. Hi guys, so we are now at the back wheel, as you can see. Yeah, so we'll start by, as you can see, it's a 2-piston. These are 2-piston brake disc pad. So we are going to use this Allen key. We're going to remove these screws. They're usually very long, and they rust really often, so you have to use some WD-40 before inserting them back in, right? Let me get you a clear view. So just as you can see, this one is a little bit tricky because it's a little bit inward. So let me remove them, then we can get back to the video and continue. Okay, thanks. Hey guys, so I was removing these parts with an Allen key, but I forgot to show you that there was this part. I don't know if you can see this part. I have to remove this. This is what is the main part. This one, if I don't remove this, I cannot get the brake pad outside. Okay, so first things first, please, you have to remove this part. Hi guys, so I've removed this this part right here. Okay, this is the screw. Okay, so next we're going to do the speedometer sensor. As you can see, this is the speedometer sensor, this one, as you can see here. So I'll have to use an Allen key to open up the speedometer sensor. So this is how the speedometer sensor looks like. Yeah, you have to keep this well because it might lose, so keep it right here. Okay, this is how the speedometer sensor looks like. Okay, now let's continue, and let's open up this bolt and continue, so that you can bring out the brake pad and clean the brake. Hi guys, so I've removed, this is the nut. It was right here. It's a really tight space. Okay, now the disc can call it the disc pad, now can get out. Let's be careful. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a simple. Yeah, so I've loosened up the Allen key nuts. So all you have to do is remove one by one. This is the first one. There are usually only two. This is the second one. You can now take out your brake pads. Yeah, this is how they look. So I've let the brake pads to sit for some time. So right now what I'm going to do is clean. Let me clean them, then after finishing continue. So guys, we are now on the brakes. So these are the brake pads inside. The pistons, as you can see, they're very dirty. These are the pistons, they're dirty and inside. So we are going to be using this spray, Tyson 3D. All you're going to do is spray. Spray the inside, brush it inside. See? Use your towel, make sure you dry it. So it's time now to assemble the brakes. Clean them well inside. So first things first, you have to place this here. Okay. It's not that difficult, it's just because I'm using one hand. Okay, yeah, as you can see, they're well placed. Here the brakes all clean. So we'll start with this side. Okay, I should start with this. Okay, that's how it's supposed to enter. Then this on there. Make sure you leave a space. Okay, take these Allen keys bolts, then you put them back. Yeah, that's how it's kept. So this gap is for the disc brakes. So after I tighten the bolts, all I have to do is put it inside the disc. As you can see, make sure it's well. Okay, then all I have to do now is come and tighten the nuts, and that's all for the back wheel. Okay, I'll just come, place the nuts, place the sensor inside, lock it, tighten the nuts, and that's all. Okay guys, this is how it looks. It's clean and very nice. So this is the front brake pad. So we are going to do the same. We are going to spray it inside, then clean it. So I've just sprayed it inside. So let me use a brush to come and clean inside. So I've just inserted the brake pads inside, as you can see. So all I'll need to do is add these pins over to these holes here, and that's all for the front leg. But let me first put the pin, then connect it to the bike. Okay, yeah, so I've finished placing the brake pads. So right now I'm going just to add these two bolts, and I think, yeah, so I'll just tighten this bolt. Yeah, and that's all for the front brakes. So don't use too much. Don't use too much force when tightening. Leave it. Okay, as you can see, and that's all, guys. So you'll just add some pressure to the foot and you're going to test. Okay, as you can see, okay, it's perfect. And that's all for servicing your brakes. That's all you need. You need your tools, you need to take it slow, just service easily, take your time, and everything will be okay. So hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more. I'll be making more and more videos for you.